Here's a reminder of how to cite images using the citation builder from WorldBook. First of all, if you go to the FCPS site with schools and centers, you can find Mantua's website. So I'm going to click on schools and centers. I'm going to put Mantua in the search box, click search, and here is our home page. So if you go here, go to the library tab, and all the way down at the bottom, there's the citation builder, and this is the one that they use at Frost Middle School. We're going to use this to search for, to cite images. Once this comes up, you shouldn't have to put in the password if you are at school, but if you do, it's Fairfax, Fairfax, no capitals. Here's the citation builder. We're going to cite images for the book trailers, so you want to choose a work of visual art. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other tab, and let's say that I had gone to Google and I had searched for images, and I chose settings. We've done this with the advanced search, and let's say that I'm searching for coal miners to go with the book Katarina's Wish that I demonstrated for you all. We want to choose photos that are free to use, share, or modify. So I click the search button, and let's just say I choose this one. A reminder to visit the page, because we need to drill down and get to the original source of this photograph. So if I just view the image, that won't give me any information. So I click on View Page, and I go down this Wikipedia article on coal mining. Now Wikipedia is using this photo because it's in the public domain. They're allowed to use it, but they're not the source. They're not the ones who own it or took the original photo. So I want to find the photo and click on it, and here, down here, this is the information that will get me what I need to cite it. It is in the public domain, and it's from the Library of Congress. So I'm going to click here, and this is all the information that I'm going to need right up here. Okay, so if I click on About This Item, then this is what I'll need. Here is the title of the photo. It's kind of a long title, but I'm going to copy and paste it, and we're going to go into this citation. So the title goes down here. Be careful though, because the title isn't long, it is too long to fit into this box, so I'm going to have to go back, and it takes most of the title, but since it's so long, you can see it's going to cut off some of the title. So when I create the citation, I need to go back and paste that in. Okay, the creator's first name, the photographer here is Lewis Wicks Hine. So I'll go back here and put in Lewis Wicks Hine. The other thing I need is the date of creation. This photograph was taken in September of 1908. You can see that right here. So I'll go back, and I'm going to put 09, 1908. That's the format that they want you to use. Description of the artwork. Since the title is so comprehensive, you don't necessarily need, in this case, the description, and it doesn't have that here, which is fine. If we go back here, the location of the artwork, it says it's in the Library of Congress Prints and Photographs Division in Washington, D.C. So I'm going to highlight that line, and I can highlight the zip code, and I will paste that in here. And as you can see, this didn't paste the entire thing either, so I'm going to have to go back and fix that. The source, we don't have the original photograph in our hand. We went online to get it, so you're going to choose online, and these things will open up. The website title is the Library of Congress, so I'm going to type that in here. The sponsoring institution is also the Library of Congress. Location of sponsor, they told us it was Washington, D.C. The date that I accessed it, so let's put today, February 19th, 2015. Now the URL you don't need for the MLA format, but if you want to, you can go ahead and copy this down in case you decide you want it, and then create the citation. Okay, now so this is the MLA, but if you see down here, this is the citation that we want, okay? But here, right here is where the title stopped, Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that you go back when you copy and paste this. So let's say I'm copying and pasting it somewhere, then I want to stop here. This says the live and then WIR. So I want to go back, and I would have to, it stopped right here. Okay, so I would have to paste this onto the title to make it complete. And then you can also see down here it says Library of Congress Prints and Photographs Division, Washing, and it ends on the T. So I would have to go back right here and just paste this part back in to make it complete. And that, so you need to just make sure about that you have it complete and you are good to go.